Hi, this is Anier from Climbup Creative Works. Today I will explain you how to create new composition in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get into it. After opening up the After Effects, here in After Effects we can create new composition in 4 ways. I will show you one by one. Here we can see 3 panels at center. Composition, Layer, Flowchart. Ignore those 2 options, we will cover it in our upcoming tutorial. Go to Composition panel. In middle we can see the Create Composition option. Here it is in rectangle box. By clicking it we can create a new composition. This can be done only when you create a new project. Because, after having one composition this option will disappear on the screen. So here by clicking it, this will create new composition. Here you can see the composition setting panel. This is one option. Now I will show another one to create new composition. At top you can find composition option. There you can find new composition option, click on it. By clicking it, this will create new composition. You can also open this option by keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+N, I repeat, Ctrl+N. Another way under Projects panel. To the bottom of the panel you can find the Create Composition icon. Just click on it. This will open up the composition settings. Now I will explain you about the composition setting. Let me ask one question. What is composition in After Effects? Let me explain you in a simple way. A composition is a container that stores layers of video, audio, text, etc. Let's get back to the topic. I'm gonna create new composition. Now just name your composition name. You can type whatever you want. Here I'm keeping as main comp. After that you will see preset option. In that you will have my frame sizes. You can choose whatever you want, mostly I use HDTV 1080-24. Let me explain about frame sizes in depth in our upcoming tutorials. Later you will have width, height. Before changing frame size turn off the aspect ratio option. If it's turned on, just see what happens when I adjust resolution. Even height changes uniformly. So just turn off while changing resolution manually. Here I keep width 1920, height 1080. Next, pixel aspect ratio. In this you find some presets of screen ration. Here I use square pixel. Next to it we can see frame rates. Here we have some frame rates, this can chosen according to your needs. Here I use 24 frames, mostly many use 24 frames. But I prefer 60 frames for creating motion graphics. Next, resolution. Here you can keep half, quarter, third, this will make the resolution size lower and will make preview faster while preview rendering. This can be changed at any time. Next, start duration and end duration. You can keep the project duration here and work on. Next is background color, you can choose any color and you can work on. Keep in mind you can change any of the setting in middle of the project in composition setting by pressing Ctrl+K. Next to the basic panel you can find advanced option. Let me explain you about it later. While explaining about the camera in After Effects. It's interesting topic, stay tuned for it. Here we go. After keeping all these settings, hit OK. It will create a new composition. Now you can add footages, solid layers, text. Whatever you want. I hope you learned how to create new composition in After Effects. We'll get back to you with some other interesting stuffs in our further videos. Stay creative and learn something new.